Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're starting a new topic, topic 10. Let's see what we have. Add tens using models. In your book, please open page 401.
How are these addition problems alike? Talk to a partner about how you can use the first sum to help you find the second.
So look at what we have. 3 plus 5 and 30 plus 50. 3 plus 5 and 30 plus 50. Let's watch our video and come back to this exercise.
You know how to add ones. How can you use cubes to add 2 plus 3? Count 2 cubes, then 3 cubes, and then put them together to make 5. You can use this idea to add groups of 10. Adding 2 tens and 3 tens is like adding 2 plus 3. How many tens are there in all?
Select your answer.
So let's count our tens. We have 2 tens and we have 3 tens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens.
There are 5 tens. 2 plus 3 equals 5. So 2 tens plus 3 tens equals 5 tens. 2 tens is 20. 3 tens is 30. How is 20 plus 30 like 2 plus 3? "20 is 2 tens and 30 is 3 tens.
Okay, so we see that this is a 10 rod. So 10 ones make 1 10. So 1 10, 2 10, that's 20. And then 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, 10, 20, 30. So 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
What is the sum of 20 plus 30?
20 plus 30 equals 50. 2 tens plus 3 tens equals 5 tens.
The sum is 50. 5 tens is the same as 50. Now you know how to add tens using models.
Adding tens is fun!
Okay, let's go for our guided practice, page 402, and answer the questions we have. Okay, write the numbers to complete each equation. I see 3 tens, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 tens. So 3 tens plus 4 tens equals 7 tens. 3 plus 4 equals 7. So that's mean if I'm using the 10 now, 10, 20, 30. So 3 tens mean 30, 4 tens means 40. So 30 plus 40 equals 70. All right, let's see what we have. The first one, I see 1 10, so it's 1. And then the second part, I see how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens. So 1 10 plus 5 tens equals 1 plus 5 equals, very good, 6. So 6 tens. Okay, what's the value for 1 10 if I'm going to write it with the tens? It's going to be 10. 1 10 means 10. 5 tens means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Awesome. 50 equals, again, 1 plus 5 equals 6. So 10 plus 50 equals 60. Okay, let's let's put this down. Okay, let's go to our first question and see what we have. All right, 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 equals, easy, 10. So let's put this down. 3 plus 5 equals 8. So let's see, 8. Now, when I have 30 plus 50, that's mean 3 tens plus 5 tens. 3 tens plus 5 tens equals 8 tens. Let's write this down. So 3 tens plus 5 tens equals 3 plus 5, again, we said 8, equals 8 tens, right? So we put this down. Now I know that 3 tens means 30. 5 tens means 50. 8 tens, 80. So 30 plus 50 equals 80. That's the answer for the first question. All right. So I will leave you with the rest of the activity in your book, page 403 and 404. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We're still in topic 10, and this is lesson 2, mental math, 10 more than a number in your book, page 405. Let's start.
Solve each problem. What pattern do you see in the totals?
15 plus 10, 25 plus 10, 55 plus 10. So what do we see? There's a pattern here. Yep. So let's watch our video and come back.
Look at the place value blocks that show 23. You have used place value blocks to add 10. You can also use mental math to add 10. Find 23 plus 10. How can you add 10 mentally? When adding 10, you should look at the tens digit. What is the tens digit in the number 23?
Select your answer.
All right, so we have two-digit number, we have 23, and we have 10. How can I add this with mentally without using a paper or counting? I add the tens. So 23, where's the tens here? The 2.
The tens digit in the number 23 is 2. What is the tens digit in the number 10? The tens digit in the number 10 is 1. What basic fact do you know that can help you add 23 and 10?
If I say 2 tens plus 1 equals 3 tens, if I add the tens only.
You know 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 23 plus 10 equals 33.
All right, so this is your 23 and this is the 10. If you move the 10 here, so now we'll have 10, 20, 30, and my ones 1, 2, 3, 3. So 33.
Use mental math to add.
Think about the numbers in the tens digits and the ones digits.
33 plus 10 equals 43. 43 plus 10 equals 53. And 53 plus 10 equals 63. As the first addends increase by 1/10 each time, how do the sums change? Which digit changes in each sum?
So look at it, 33 plus 10, 43 plus 10, and 53 plus 10. As you see, each add-in, when you add it to the 10, it's increased by 110. So instead of 33, the 10s increased by 1, 43. 43 plus 10, as you see, the 10s here, so 4 10s became 5, so 53. 53 plus 10, 63.
The sums increase by 10 each time. The tens digit changes in each sum. Now you know how to use mental math to find 10 more than a number.
All right, so let's go to our guided practice and see what we have. Use mental math to solve the problems. 25 plus 10. So I see 2 rods of 10, so this is 20 and 5 ones. 25 plus 110. Now I know that, what am I adding? Only 10s. That's mean this is my 10s, the 2, it's going to be 3, and my ones remain the same. So 25 plus 10 equals 35. Let's see the second one. What do we have? I have 1 10 and 2 ones. That's 12. So 12 plus 110. All right, so let's put here 12 plus 10. So I know that where's my ones, where's my 10s here in 12, 110, and I have one more 10 to add. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, and then the 2 remain the same because I don't have any ones in the other add-ins. So it's going to be, my answer is 22. All right, let's do one more exercise from your independent practice, page 407. Let's do the first one. 58 plus 10. 58. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 8 ones, and plus 110. So I know where's my 10 digit here? 50, the 5. So I'm adding 1 to the 5. 110 to the 5, it's going to be 6. So 60, and the ones remain the same, 868. So let's write this down, 68. All right, let's go to the first problem we have in page 405 and see what we have here.
Solve each problem. What pattern do you see in the totals?
All right, so let's add 15 plus 10. I know that here's my 10th digit and 15. It's 1 plus 1 more 10. It's going to be 25. So let's write 15 plus 10 equals 25. All right, 25 plus 10. I know that means I have 2 10s plus 1 10. That's 3, so 30, and my 5s remain the same. So 35. All right, 55 plus 10. Again, 5 10s plus 1 10, that's 6, so 65. Very good. Let's write down 65. All right, so I have the pattern, do you see? 25, 35, 65. So as we see here, it's been increased by 110. And 25 plus 10 equals 35. All right, 55 plus 10 equals 65. 15 plus 10 equals 25. So now I added the 10. And as you can see, the 10-digit number, the only one increased by 110 because I'm adding 110. All right. So now we agreed that the 10s increased by 1 when you add 110. So 15 plus 10 equals 25. 25, when I added the 10, I see the 10 digit increased by 110, 35. 55, when I added the 10, I see the digit, the 10's 5, it increased by 110, 65. All right. So it's easy. I'll leave you to have fun with the rest of the activities. adding mental math, adding 10, and we're using the same numbers, just add the 10s and leave the 1s. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you.